Hi, okay, so I'm reviewing this from this email that you sent. It would be from this one right here. So, first of all, on this one, I'm not really sure where you're getting this minimum price from. Um, I'd have to look at the video, but like, yeah, well, oh, okay, that's the next one. Okay. Well, like on, for instance, so there's a couple of problems here. So like on this one, you have the min price more than the current price. So that's gonna fail anyways. So that one should be lower. I don't understand why it's there. And then on this one, you've got the current price at 199 and the min price at $64. Same thing here, 170, 64, one. So this min price is a lot lower than it should be. So please tell me how you came up with this. Thank you.